All right, so we got some new weather news here on our 7-day graph. If we take a look, this is going to be Invest 99L, which has a 90% chance of forming into a cyclone in the next 7 days. This is the big storm brewing up in the Caribbean right now. And if we take a look at these spaghetti strands, it apparently is going to curve hard, hard right and head directly for Florida. Now, depending on which strand it takes, that will decide whether it becomes a category 1 to 3 hurricane with wind speeds from 80 to 120 plus miles an hour. We will be keeping a very close eye on this storm, especially with the pathway it is set to take. And if we take a look at the AccuWeather forecast, it does say that it will become a category 3 hurricane by at least the weekend and into Monday, and then continue its pathway, this very strange curve here, directly into Florida. Whether or not it continues as a category 3 into Florida, we will let you know in the next upcoming days here. But as of right now, it says it's going to be a 3 and possibly hit into the Tampa Bay area as a 2, as a category 2 hurricane. A batch of showers and thunderstorms over the central Caribbean has been designated by AccuWeather meteorologists as a tropical rainstorm and is forecast to become a hurricane later this week as it drifts westward. At least one scenario involves a track into Florida with significant impacts next week. Meteorologists are confirming that this is going to become a hurricane, and depending on which pathway it takes, it has a few here, that it could be heading directly into the lower Miami to middle Tampa Bay area of Florida. Once again, we will be keeping a very close eye on Invest 99L and we'll be giving updates as we get them.